LG UltraGear monitors often have built-in speakers. This section explains how to enable them. First, ensure your monitor is powered on. Connect it to a power source and turn it on using the power button. Then, access the on-screen display OSD menu using the joystick or buttons on the monitor. Navigate to the sound or audio settings in the OSD menu. Finally, select Speaker as the audio output and adjust the volume. Adjust the volume using the OSD slider or physical buttons on the monitor. Wired connections via HDMI or DisplayPort provide optimal low-latency audio. Once in the OSD menu, look for the Sound or Audio section. The exact wording may vary depending on your model. Within the sound settings, find the Sound Out or Audio Output option. Here, you'll be able to select Speaker as your preferred output. If you intend to use external speakers later, select Audio Out, e.g. HDMI ARC. For now, set it to Speaker. After selecting Speaker as the output, you'll want to adjust the volume. Look for a volume slider or volume up-down buttons within the OSD's sound settings. Increase the volume from 0%, muted, to your desired level, up to 100%. Some monitors also have physical volume buttons on the bezel for quick adjustments. Set a comfortable listening volume and adjust as needed. To hear sound from your LG UltraGear monitor speakers, ensure your PC or console sends audio through the correct cable. HDMI and DisplayPort are common choices for audio and video. HDMI cables carry both high-definition video and audio signals. Make sure your cable is properly connected to both your PC and the monitor. DisplayPort cables work similarly, providing both audio and video in a single connection. In Windows settings, check your sound output. If headphones are selected, audio won't go to your monitor speakers. Instead, select your LG monitor as the audio output device to route sound through the HDMI or DisplayPort connection. For macOS or gaming consoles, verify that audio output is configured to use the monitor in your system's settings. If you're not hearing any sound after enabling the speakers, double-check a few things. First, verify the cable connections are secure. Make sure your PC or console is actually sending audio. Update the monitor's firmware via LG's website if updates are available. Reset the OSD settings to defaults as a last resort. Also, ensure the monitor isn't muted, either via a physical button or within the OSD menu. Newer LG UltraGear monitors from 2025 include advanced audio features. AI-driven sound equalization through the LG ThinQ app automatically adjusts audio for optimal performance in gaming, movies, or music. The LG ThinQ app provides intelligent audio optimization, enhancing your experience across different content types. Some models support wireless audio via Bluetooth 5.3, offering flexibility while maintaining wired connections for the best gaming performance. Regular firmware updates from LG address bugs and introduce audio improvements, ensuring your monitor stays current. Some users have reported that the volume resets to 0 after the monitor enters sleep mode. This is often due to firmware bugs. Check LG's support forums for patches related to your specific monitor model. Updating to the latest firmware version often resolves this issue. You can also try disabling and re-enabling the speakers within the OSD as a temporary workaround.